Let's make some simple homemade natural lip balm, and you only need 3 ingredients. Start with some beeswax, and you'll need 2 tablespoons. I get my beeswax locally, and they have these beautiful blocks, so I have to grate mine down. You can also get some beeswax pellets online, and I'll provide all the links for the ingredients and also the containers I am using. After, you'll add in 2 tablespoons of shea butter. You can also use cocoa butter if you like. And then you'll add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yes, it is all equal parts, so 2 tablespoons of each ingredient. So if you want, you can double or triple the ingredients to make many more. Then just simply place the bowl over boiling water to act as a double boiler. Keep stirring to get all the ingredients mixed and melted. After everything is melted, let it sit for 5 minutes before adding any essential oils. And this is optional. I like adding them in. I love using peppermint for the cooling feeling, but you can use any kind you like. After that, if your bowl does not have a spout, then you'll need to transfer to something that does. However, you want to make sure whatever you are transferring it to is warmed up, so that when the lip balm is transferred to it, it does not start to solidify. Then just simply pour the lip balm into the containers and allow them to sit without touching them. Believe me, this part will be hard because they're so cute. You'll want to pick them up. But don't let them sit there and completely harden. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes, so it's not that long. And that's it. They are so cute. They make a great addition to all your gift giving as well. I hope you enjoy.